welcome back to my channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button so you can join the family. This is Broadway Estate Enugu, and yes, there is only 20 plots of land here because it is designed for a mini estate. This is a full developing estate that is located in �𝐿𝐒, just along the Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. Here are the 20 plots just by the left hand side, and as you can see, this is just 30 meters away from the express. Let me show you guys. Now this is the express road. Just after Rangers Estate, you get this estate. Hi there, this is Mebyc and welcome to Broadway Estate Enugu. Now this is an estate that is strategically located along the expressway. I'm talking of the Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. Now this is fully registered, very affordable and very much accessible, located in an already built up neighborhood and has a very dry topography. This estate gives you 100% return on investment. Whether you're looking to build your dream home or make an investment in Enugu, Broadway Estate is the best for you. Now this is the right time to buy because there is only 20 plots here in this location, and it has a deed of assignment and it has a registered survey plan with plot size of 500 square meters and a price value of 7 million naira only. Now the landmarks remain less than 10 minutes drive from Independence Layout, 4 minutes drive from Enugu Centenary City and Helio Residence and Rangers Estate, few minutes away from UNTH Enugu, that's by the right hand side. This estate is the ideal home and ideal investment plan now in Enugu. Do well to call us and book a free inspection today.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mercy Ugu, aka RealtorMercy. Guess where I am? I'm at Broadway Estate Enugu. This is just �𝐿𝐒. This is 𝐿𝐒. This estate is designed for a mini estate. There is no more than 30 plots here. And guess what? This place is going to come with the whole estate infrastructures that you know about. Just look, it's only 30 meters to the express road. Can you see that? 30 meters to the express road. You can see those filling stations there. Now this is 𝐿𝐒, just after Choosewell petrol station. Then you get this property. This property is not more than 30 plots of land designed for a beautiful mini estate here in Enugu. All you need to do is to give me a call to get a portion from this 30 plots of land. This estate is selling for only 7 million naira per plot. 7 million naira per plot. And guess what? There is a promo going on now. You can purchase this estate. You can purchase a plot here and get yourself free documentation. What do you say about this? Call my number now. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Let's save each other's number and let's talk more on your budget. And estates wonderful here in Enugu. Estates that mean so much. Estates that will bring you nothing but a good living condition. I'm talking about perimeter fencing. I'm talking about good road network, and I'm talking about good water supply for this mini estate design. Thank you so much, and hit me up for more information. I remain your humble and most trusted realtor Mebyc. Thank you and God bless you.